She just wanna highlight. Ooh wee, that body talk to me. I need a taste, baby.
What's going on, y'all? Mama said she needed some eggs, but she said she'll get some. Well, them 6 gonna last us until, let's see, I might go back out. I don't know, Lord. I ain't going back out today. Okay, y'all. First of all, let me tell y'all. I meant what I said when I said the title of this video. People go broke just trying to provide for their family.
Our goal was to go get dinner for today.
Yes, but my little one needed lunch for the next couple of days. Y'all know they out Monday, but he still need lunch for tomorrow. He need food. We needed fruit, more laundry detergent, cleaning supply. And I'm like, Lord have mercy. And stuff is high. I told y'all, every time you go in the store, everything goes up, and it's ridiculous. It is ridiculous. Like, so anywho, that's why I love to go to Sam's, because I love to bulk buy. Because just going into the regular grocery store, and it doesn't matter if you go into a discount store, if you go into your actual like your mom and pop store or stuff like that, Winn-Dixie, it just, at this point, it really doesn't matter. Everything just goes up. So we all just try to find deals wherever we can and just try to do the best we can to take care of our family, right? And I still have to go grocery shopping, you guys. So I'm going to start over here. I appreciate all you guys' support. If y'all love real life grocery hauls and real life, as parents, we complain because sometimes you feel like you in over your head and it's like your kids just don't get it sometimes. If y'all like those kind of videos, like real life, this is not scripted, this is not put on for camera. It's days that I go to the grocery store and I just want to leave, I want to leave my basket in the middle of the store and just leave out. I really do feel that way sometimes. Dude. So anywho, if y'all along with me and y'all understand, like, yes, and I know my oldest son is going to be 28 years old. She's my youngest daughter. She'll be 21 in March. I have an 11-year-old. Y'all know Riante is going to be 26 this year. Talia is going to be 23. When they were young, I could go in a grocery store and take $200 and buy enough for a month for 4 children at the time. I was not getting any assistance or nothing. I worked, had to pay full rent because I didn't get Section 8 or none of that. And I felt like I had way more money than now, with me having 3 incomes, well, actually 4 different incomes, plus a full family, and everyone works. Our fiance, my mama, and it feels like you struggling more now than I did when I was a single parent with 4 little children. So I'm like, Lord, what is going on? But we gonna make it, ain't we?
Yes, and I want to give a shout. I'm not cutting y'all, but I want to give a shout out to Lakeitha. Lakeitha, I think her name is. If I'm pronouncing wrong, I'm sorry. But she came on and she was saying for people to stock up on eggs and milk and all that stuff because it's gonna be a shortage. Stock up on canned goods and meat is getting high. And if you can get some canned meat or whatever, I like to thank you for shouting that out, and everybody better pay attention.
Yeah, because it's getting hard.
So
yeah,
from letting us know. I'll be watching you.
It is. Things is getting hard, y'all. Times is getting hard. And if I did put up a walkthrough from Walmart, because, and it is a steam, it's a handheld, like a steam sanitizer. They're at Walmart at $26. So I want to buy one because when I'm bleaching and wiping stuff down, I want to use that to steam, and it's a handheld. So if y'all go to y'all Walmart or Target or even on Amazon, if y'all have not purchased one, they're by Bissell, and they're literally handheld. It's less than $30. And I know my son doctor recommended that for like just cleaning your tubs, your showers, your sinks, all of like your refrigerator, like all of your appliances, when you wipe it down, to use that to steam, and it really does sanitize a lot better using that steam. So I'm just recommending that to you guys. I was going to pick it up today, but I wanted to see on Amazon if it was cheaper, because that way I can have it in my Amazon store and get y'all a discount code. So I'm going to go ahead on Thank Mama for saying that. Thank you, Lakeitha. You know we appreciate you. We love all you guys that support us, that watch us, that have channels, and that we support. And we're going to stock up. We're going to get through this. We are going to get through this, you guys, okay? So I'm going to start over here. You got...
Hey, Teresa and Cynthia and Braylon.
Yep, everybody, y'all. Hey, everybody. And so I'm going to start... well, actually, I'm going to start over here first. Excuse me, Savannah, because she just stretched out. She about to trip me. Mama had asked me to get her 2 packs of washcloth. So Philip had picked them out. And me and Jordan want to either go to Sam's or Target because he said he know. Or either Bed Bath & Beyond. Somewhere he said he want to buy her a really big pack of them. But for right now, I got her these 2 because she said she don't know what happens to all her washcloth. And I done gave her a lot of them. She still don't know what's going on with them. And then I just picked me up 3 of the mainstay because y'all know these are only like $2.97. And I need a good bit of them. But I just went on and got these 3 because that's what my little chain right now can afford. So I had Philip pick out the colors. He did gray, black, gray, and then it's green. So those are the 3 that I picked up. And then I had mentioned in my cleaning video. Hold on 1 second. Excuse me. Don't you have homework? I need you to turn around, go put that skateboard up. It is 5:30 and go do your homework. If it's still daylight when you're done, you can get on that. If not, you can do it tomorrow. I don't know what he thinking and what world he live in that I'm not his mama, that he thought he was finna go outside at 5:30 and skate. Okay. In that cleaning video, I was saying that I get the barkeeper's friend and awesome, and I make a paste and I use this to scrub down my wall because we have hard water. This is one of the ones that I told you guys that I get. I had let one of my kids use it and I don't know what happened, but I will put the little paste stuff in here and it'll just scrub it and it'll get down my hard water stains. I know this is for the kitchen, but it's really, really good in your bathroom, on your shower and grout. And I think it was like $1.98 or something, but the walkthrough I did show the price. And then I got one of these soap dispensing brushes for our pots and stuff. Okay, those 2. I was looking for the 200 or the 100 count, the 200 count spoons, but these are all they had. So this is going to last him until I go to Sam's. Now I'm going to step over here. Excuse me again, Savannah. I got the soft scrub, and shout out to Sean, I want to say her name is. And I think her YouTube channel, and I'm fairly new to her channel. She's from Mississippi as well. And it's, I'm going to put her name on the screen. I done watched 10 of her videos in 2 days. But I just found her channel yesterday. And she used the soft scrub. And I used to use this a while back. And I forgot all about it. So I seen her using it. And it brought back a lot of memories. So I had to pick me up one today. So I can use for my sink and stuff as well. This time I went on and got the Finish Powerball. Y'all know I usually get the Walmart brand. But I have been finding myself having to really scrub out my dishwasher if they don't wash the dishes off real good. Well,
Power finisher.
If they don't rinse out the dishes really well, I find myself having to clean my dishwasher. My dishwasher be having a smell. I know they sell a thing that you can put in your dishwasher that sanitize it, but I couldn't find it in Walmart. So I just got this. And then I got a thing of Scrubbing Bubbles bathroom, the Grime Fighter. This is the citrus for my bathroom. I got another thing of Arm & Hammer. Y'all seen Jordan just opened it up today, but I went on and got another one. Keep myself from having to go out. I got a thing of Lysol. Wait, Philip. The Lysol hydrogen peroxide multi-purpose. This is for the kitchen. This is, excuse me, the Ajax, because like I said, I couldn't find, they didn't have any Barkeeper's Friend. And then if y'all will see that video when I was saying that I don't know why it seemed like if I buy fabric softener it goes through real quick, but if I buy these pods they last for a while. So I spent $6 on the pods. Over by the cleaning supplies, they now have candles over there. You can get the great value. So I got this Mandarin teak wood. I'll just put that in my bathroom and they can light it. Philip picked up him one of these fancy strawberries.
Ooh, these are good. Y'all need to buy these. These are good.
Oh, excuse me. He also got him a Sonic Ocean Water. they 0 sugar mixed drinks. I told him to get 2. He only got 1. You gonna fix you one so you can have for school tomorrow?
That is for school.
Okay, we're going to put it in the refrigerator. And y'all know they're $1. He got him a pack of Skittles. He got him a thing of Skittles. I picked up 5 of these Glades. I like to normally get these, but y'all, truth be told, I be forgetting them. When I go in the store, I forget them.
Mom, tell me the truth. Every single time you get these, I'm the only one that eats them.
Yes.
And you're like, don't eat those.
So now
you
I just buy them for him. And they are the Magnum ice cream.
But she only gives me 3 of them. So.
Yeah, I'm not buying any other pack.
I'm gonna start eating once. I'm gonna start eating one of these.
Well, you're not gonna eat anything until you have dinner. So put it up.
I had dinner already.
Well, you gonna eat again. Put it in the freezer. Put it in the deep freezer, and then put this in the deep freezer.
I already know I want.
I'm sorry. Hey, my son is out of school and he's a preteen. And then I got the Good Humor strawberry shortcake. Y'all know these the old school ones. These are the ones that Jordan likes. So I just picked him up one. I asked him did he want anything. He said no, but I got it anyway. Quit trying to sneak this. I got these little things for Philip. He got 2 of them. I don't know where the other one at. Put that in the deep freezer, please.
Right here.
Now, back to this. I got the exotic tropical blossom. I'll keep one in my room. I'll keep one of these in the living room. That's the same one. I got a clean linen. That'll go, the lemon I like to keep in the kitchen. This one here I'll probably put in my bathroom. And then I got one of the clean linen for my mama. She can put it in her bathroom if she chooses. And then I got the bubbly berry splash one for the living room. And then I got the lemon one. And that'll go in the kitchen because I do like to spray the kitchen down and stuff at the end of the night. I got a Lysol Nutri-Air, the 2-in-1. And this is a tropical breeze scent. And then, of course, it disinfects. And then I just got a regular Lysol spray. I got one pack of the disinfectant wipes. I was looking for the 3-pack but could not find them. I got a thing of Raid and Roach spray. One thing of Honey Maid graham crackers. Philip got him a thing of Pringles for lunch. He just moved that other one and put that there. I picked up 2 of these Hershey's with almonds just randomly so I can have for myself. Those normally last me a while. Philip got the family size mega stuffed Oreos for him to bring to school. I picked up some of these Star Kiss tunas because I was going to make some today. I still may make some, but Riante is making something and Mama's over there cooking some macaroni and cheese. I got another thing of white milk. I had got a small thing of chocolate milk. I think it's over there because they didn't have a half a gallon. Y'all know I love this Simply Lemonade. So I've been buying this. Philip asked me to get him a thing of Fruity Pebbles for breakfast. And then I got the Fruit Loops with marshmallows. I got 2 things of Nature's Own butter bread. I'm going to try to start getting these from now on. Get these and a wheat instead of those. Okay. And then he got 2 things of Splash Water, a pineapple mango, and the wild berry. And some the Chester Bites. He got these. These are not the paws. They just the regular round ones. He got him a thing of Velveeta, the 8-pack for lunch. Over there on that side. Here's the chocolate milk. I got me a thing of Whoppers. He got him a thing of Takis for lunch for school. I already showed y'all the washcloth and the towels. He got him a thing of grapes. I got another pineapple that I'm about to cut up. I think I already mentioned the Whoppers. And then I got me a thing of Whitman samplers. I got a thing of strawberry red cream, the 2-liter, and a thing of strawberries. So I think I said everything. I think I named everything, mentioned everything. So yeah. So I'm about to get this stuff put up and eat because I'm hungry. I'm tired. I need to get this video put up. I need another video. I have another video I need to get put up tonight as well. So I appreciate you guys. Love you all so much. Thank y'all for watching. Stay safe out there. And I will see you guys in our next video. So yeah. Y'all just have a great evening. Bye guys.
She just want a highlight. Ooh, that body talk to me. I need a taste, baby.